Franklin India Mutual Fund, which is one of the oldest asset management company in India, now it's growing very faster. Now company presence across the world and serving millions of investors. Hello friends, this is Vijay and welcome back to my channel. Friends, in this video, I would like to discuss about one mid-cap category mutual fund, which is Franklin India Frima Fund, which was launched in 1993. It's been 30 years now, which has been one of the oldest scheme in India. Friends, in this video, I would like to discuss more about this fund. Friends, you can stay till the end because you'll be learning a lot in this video. Let's get started. Franklin India Frima Fund, which was launched in 1993. It's been 30 years now. If you look at the AUM, asset under management, which is 9,300 crores. If you look at the expense ratio, which is 1.70 percentage. If you look at the NAV, net asset value, which is 2030. If you look at the asset allocation, 95% of allocation into equity market, 5% of allocation into debt market. Within equity, 15% of allocation into large cap, 70% of allocation into mid cap, 10% of allocation into small cap. Fund has got good diversification across the market capitalization. If you look at the top 5 sectors, 14% of allocation into banks, 7% of allocation into pharmaceutical and biotechnology, 6% of allocation into auto component, 5% of allocation into IT software, again 5% of allocation into consumer durable. If you look at the top 10 stocks, 3.7% of allocation into Federal Bank, 2.5% of allocation into Trent Limited, 2.4% of allocation into Deepak Nitrate, 2.3% of allocation into Equitas Small Finance Bank, 2.2% of allocation into Prestige Estate Project, 2.1% of allocation into Bharat Electronics, 2% of allocation into Coromandalam International, again 2% of allocation into REC Limited, again 2% of allocation into ICICI Bank, again 2% of allocation into Emphasis. If you look at the fund manager, R. Janki Raman, he has been managing the fund since 2008. He has got good amount of experience in the industry.
Friends, let's say that if you have done 1 lakh rupees investment in 1993 and if you remain invested for 31st of December 2023, your 1 lakh now it has grown to 2 crore rupees. So if you have done 1 lakh rupees investment in Nifty index, now it has grown to 33 lakh. So which means that this scheme has outperformed the index in a bigger margin. Friends, let's say that if you have done 10,000 rupees SIP in the scheme since inception, and if you have remained invested for 31st of December 2023, your investment value will become 36 lakh, market value will become 11 crore 40 lakh rupees. Let's say that if you have done 10,000 rupees SIP in the Nifty index, your investment value will become 36 lakh, market value will become 4 crore 56 lakh rupees. Here also, the fund has outperformed the index in a bigger margin. Friends, let's say that here you have done 10,000 rupees SIP. Along with that, every year you have done 10% of top up. With a 10% of top up, your investment value will become 1 crore 99 lakh rupees. Market value will become 19 crore 74 lakh rupees. The normal investment without top up 36 lakh. So market value will become 11 crore 40 lakh rupees. So this is how, if you do the 10% of top up, it will make big difference. Friends, in case if you miss the best trading days, best trading months, how it will impact your investment. I'm giving the example here. So here, the first example is without missing any trading days, any trading months, your investment value will become 36 lakh, market value will become 11 crore 40 lakh rupees. So let's say that if you have missed best 5 months, your investment value is 35 lakh, market value will 11 crore 16 lakh rupees. You missed 23 lakh. In case if you missed best 10 months, your investment value will become 35 lakh, market value will become 10 crore 82 lakh. You missed 58 lakh rupees. Let's say that you have missed 20 best months. So your investment value will become 34 lakh, market value will become 10 crore 54 lakh. You missed 86 lakh rupees. Let's say that you have missed best 30 months. Your investment value will become 33 lakh, market value will become 9 crore 94 lakh. You missed 1 crore 46 lakh rupees. Let's say that you missed best 40 months. Your investment value will become 32 lakh. Market value will become 9 crore 69 lakh rupees. You have missed 1 crore 70 lakh rupees. Friends, this is how, if you missed best trading months, best trading days, it will impact your investment.
Friends, if you look at the scheme, over the last 30 years, the fund has been a biggest wealth creator for many investors. Friends, many people think too much about the short-term volatility and they will not invest into the equity market. In long run, they will miss bigger picture. You should not think too much about the short-term volatility. You should always invest for long term. You should always remain invested. Friends, if you invest early, if you invest regularly, if you remain invested for a long term, definitely you can create a huge wealth in the long term. Friends, I hope you find this video useful. If you like this video, please to subscribe, please to share it with your community. If you required any help with regards to mutual fund investment, you can contact me in the below link. Thank you so much.